everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Snapchat. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to create a new account for your Snapchat, then first make sure you've downloaded the application on your smartphone. I'm using my iPhone in today's video. If you are too, then that's great. If you're using an Android device, do not worry at all. The process is quite similar. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Once you download the Snapchat application, tap it open. If you've not yet, go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Snapchat in the search box. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results. Tap on the download button or the install button at the right corner, right next to Snapchat app, and once you got the app, simply tap it open. The first interface of Snapchat will look like this. Tap on the sign up button in order to create a new account at the bottom. Allow Snapchat to sync your contact from your mobile device by tapping on OK. On the next page, you'll need to type in your first name and then your last name in the text boxes that appears on the display. Start by typing in your first name and head over to the next field and type in your last name. After you're done, tap sign up and accept at the bottom. On the next page, select your birthday information from the menu at the bottom. Select your year, month, and date and tap continue. This is the username that Snapchat has created for you. If you like the username, you can proceed further by tapping on continue. If you want to customize it, type in the username of your choice. But remember to pick the username that's unique, otherwise you won't be able to proceed further. Check if the username is available or not, and if it is, tap on continue at the bottom. Now create a password for your Snapchat account. Type in at least 8 characters long password and make sure to type in the password that is easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. Once you are done setting a password of your choice, tap continue at the bottom. Now type in a valid email address in the text box. You can also sign up with phone instead. Tap on sign up with phone instead link right beneath what's your email and select your country code and type in your phone number. You'll receive an SMS verification code on your mobile number after you do that, and that is how you can sign up using your mobile number. If you want to continue signing up with your email, type in a valid email address and tap on continue. You're almost there. You'll need to go ahead and add some friends on your Snapchat. Go ahead and send a friend request to the people that you'd like to add on your Snapchat. These contacts has been synced from your contact list on your mobile device. Simply tap on the add button in order to add them on your contact. You can also do this later by tapping on skip at the top right hand corner. Now, on the next page, Snapchat allows you to create a Bitmoji of yourself. Tap on create with camera in order to instantly create an avatar that looks like you, or you can skip the step by tapping on skip at the top right hand corner and do this later on. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the camera screen of your Snapchat, which means you've created your Snapchat account successfully. Allow Snapchat to track your activity across other companies, apps and websites by tapping on allow, or if you don't want to do that, tap on ask app not to track. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to find yourself in the camera screen of Snapchat, which looks like this, which means you've created a new account on Snapchat. If you'd like to visit your profile, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the upper left-hand corner. And that is how you can easily sign up for Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.